we realized that in order to solve a huge problem in medicine, we had to be driven by values. And the values that we focused on were values of trust and unity. Those are at the foundation of who we are. The ability to build relationships of trust, to be unified against our goals. And then from an action-oriented perspective, grit and growth.
What makes Denali unique is, on one hand, the enormous opportunity that we have to do something that hasn't been done before, to deliver effective biologics that are very large through the blood-brain barrier and provide potential benefit for patients. But at the same time, what really makes it unique is the people that work here at Denali. In the long term, it's the commitment to our purpose, and day to day, it's the commitment to each other.
As a neurologist, I wanted to work on diseases of the brain, and to do that requires a place that's committed to scientific excellence. At Denali, trust and unity empower us to take on the toughest challenges together.
Every day we come in, we are inspired by our patients, and we show up wanting to help each other and to help our patients.
I think I am very privileged because I get to sit in a lot of different rooms with a lot of different groups of people and a lot of different teams at Denali, and so I get to see very different examples of unity.
We have subject matter experts from different functions, and for us to come together and make meaningful progress, it is important that we respect and trust each function to represent the subject matter expertise so we can deliver these medicines to patients as fast as possible.
Leadership trusts us a lot. We're those closest to the data. It's really quite empowering to be able to influence such big decisions for the company.
We are an incredible group of scientists who have come together to work on novel molecules for the first time and have fun along the way as well.
Grit is something I think every Denalian has. We all joined this company knowing that CNS drug development is incredibly hard and a long road, but it's also truly rewarding.
If you're someone that is wanting to grow, wanting to explode, that was definitely how I felt when I came to Denali. I was just ready to take all of that experience that I had previously and put it to work.
We are constantly looking for ways to evolve and challenge the status quo.
Growth in the team is learning and communicating, and for us as a team trying to do things better today than we did yesterday.
What makes Denali so special is that our values are not aspirational. They are foundational and action-oriented. Trust, unity, grit, and growth aren't just on the walls, they're embedded in how we work.